Hello. Today I will show you how to drain water from a stretch ceiling. PVC stretch ceiling is not afraid of moisture and water. There was a leak on the top floor and the plasterboard ceiling fell into disrepair. Water was collected in the stretch ceiling. Water can be drained through the hole for the lamp. I take out the lamp and hold the ceiling with my hand so that the water does not flow out. I take an empty basin and lower the ceiling so that the water flows out through the hole in the ceiling. The elongated place on the tension is gradually restored. I pull out the rest of the fixtures to ventilate the space behind the ceiling. I leave it like that for a few days so that the moisture inside the ceiling dries out. I install lamps in a stretch ceiling. Everything is ready. Stretch ceiling completely restored its shape. See you again.